Friday. Hard to keep track of the days sometimes. We finished up day 4 trails, and we're near Reading recreational area. There's some ATV trails that actually kind of run behind it. We actually drove across this earlier when we were looking for camp. A lot further up on this, there's actually a trail that goes right across. The water's not really that deep. You can actually see that the rocks are pretty flat on both sides, so you can just see where you can drive right through. But we camped here last night, so we're still kind of up towards the west. We're going to be heading back towards the east. This is day 5 of OOAT. So we're a little bit, not quite as far over as we normally would be, but we're going to take our time. This is kind of a easy trail ride type of day.
It is Thursday. The little beachfront, I guess you could call it, wasn't horrible to sleep at. Wasn't that great either. And that's just being honest. Like, didn't really do it for me. It's alright. It was very picked over with wood, so we gotta get turned around and heading back out. And we got the last leg of the day, or of the trip. So today's our last trail day. And finding camp. Probably find camp early today. That way we can, you know, wake up early tomorrow and start the drive back home.
Back on the highway. We are heading east. Trying to finish out the day 4 little last leg after all the fun stuff up towards the west. We're going to go back past Bird's Adventure Center and picking up, kind of overlapping, I think, on an intersection where we were on day 3. Blue-eyed mama done got all the best you see. I'm all worked over 'cause you're dancing on my feet. Pretty young love, won't you leave tonight with me? Get along, honey, don't you dare let it by.
Me and Aaron have been getting pranks pulled on us just about every day from this guy that drives Bam Bam. So we've been eating apples and yeah. Let's see how long those last.
We'll find them in a couple months.
Game on.
That regret just won't let you hang your head down. Better hold it up high. You had a one shot hanging from a thin thread of line. You missed your mark, oh, watch him die. Lord, I'm begging you, don't let it be my time. While the walls close in and the air slips through the lines. Maybe you can bury me 6 feet deep in the south.
Little waterfall. Walking overhang.
Okay, so day 5. A lot of county roads, a lot of highways. We're all been able to do as much filming this day just because it's very dusty. These roads are gravel or dirt, so they get pretty dusty. Try to get some outside shots for you guys.
Broken heart, yelling, trying to boss death around. Get along. up high. Had a one shot hanging from a thin deadline. You missed your mark in low. Watch them die. Every now and then you can feel this weighing down. Just close your eyes, you can still hear the muffled road sound. Honey, I hope you're holding on. What you got to get now is about as good as gold. Get along, honey, don't you dare let it by. That regret just won't let you hang your head down. You better own it up high. You had a one shot hanging from a thin line. You missed your mark in low. Watch 'em die.
Back tire's gonna slip. Back passenger coming down. All right, he's back on. Climbing.